On this part, the even rows, so like 2 and 4. You're going to move a little to the right. So you're in the pocket. Got it? Because that will lead you into this next part. So let's practice with the first wind. Let's do that. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Shift to the right a little bit on that first part. So you're going to move like this. So you're in the pocket. Yeah.
Just row to your left or no?
Yeah, just every other. So it's starting with the second. First row stays in place. Third row, fifth row, however how many rows we would have. It's the even rows. Okay. Wait. You have partners. You're a partner. You're a partner. You're a partner. You're a partner.
I would be your partner.
So you would move back, she would move forward. You would move that way, she would move that way.
Ah, changing places.
I'm thinking when you move to the side, when you're moving like, when you're going like that, you're actually going to face that direction of where you're going. So your hands are going to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to have one hand here, kind of like you're making a leg. You're picking a flower, you're stringing a flower, you're picking a flower, you're stringing a flower, you're picking a flower, stringing a flower, picking a flower, stringing a flower. Got it? Okay. So right now you're picking your flowers. Which ones do you want to put on your leg? And then you're going to string your flowers. Okay? Okay. So I wouldn't even have to tell you the story of this whole thing because you probably did. Okay. So, and then you're just going to go side to side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you move, exactly. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going this way first. Left to right, right to left. Oh, got it. Yeah. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should get to their spot on the 8 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, wherever direction you're going. Okay.
Are you trying to maintain the same square?
Yeah, we like.
Yeah. Because it looked like they went like really big.
Okay, 5,